Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 7, decimals. Okay? From book CPA, page number 116. Exercise 7.2. Actually, in the exercise 7.1, we have done the place value chart. We have done the place value chart. So, what was in the place value chart? Actually, this is the question. Suppose 555.555. Actually, this one belongs to ones. O means ones. 10 means tens, and hundreds. Okay. This type, after the point in the right sides, is tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay. O means ones. It means 5 means 5 multiplied 1. Okay. Tens means 5 multiplied 10. Okay. 100 means 5 multiplied 100. Okay. And on the other hand, after the point, tenth means 5 multiplied 1.10. Okay. Actually, we have done this wise. 5 hundreds means 5 multiplied 1.100. Thousands means 5 multiplied 1.1000. Okay. So now come on the exercise 7.2, comparison of decimals. Comparison. Okay. We will check which is greater, which is lesser. Okay. So now this is the activity. Suppose we will compare 2.21.398 and 21.899. Okay. So this is the whole part, decimal part, 10 digit, 100 digit, 1000 digits. Okay. We will convert into first 4 part means before point. Before point means 21. This is the whole part. 21 is the whole part. Okay. So whole part is 21. Here is 21. Okay. Now point, decimal means point means point. So now then this means after the point, what digit will come first? It means strength. Here is 3 is here, 8 is here. Next is 9 hundreds digit. Okay. Check it. And here is also 9. Here is 8, here is 9. If whole numbers are same, so which is greater we don't know. Okay, which is greater we don't know. Then we will check after the point. After the point, here is 3. Always, firstly we will check first digit. Okay, here is 3, here is 8. So which is greater? 3 or 8? It means 8 is greater. We don't need to go upsides. Okay, just stop here. 8 is greater. It means 21.899 is greater. Okay, means this sign. Okay, the open side is here. It means 2.139 is lesser than 21.89. Okay, so come on the first part, first question, 7.2. Compare and fill the box using less than, greater than, or equal to. This is the first question. 78.16. We will draw here. It means whole part 78 and second one is 87. Okay. So now is point. Second one is 1 and 1. Now 6. Here is also 6. Firstly, we will check whole part. Whole part is same. No, whole parts are not same. Okay, So it means 87 is greater. 87 is greater, it means the sign is this side. We don't need to go other things, okay? So question number 1, B part, we will check 5.001, 5.010. Okay, so we will check here. Firstly, here is 5 whole part, here is also 5 whole part. Just wait, we can remove this. Okay, firstly whole part. Here before point is the whole part. It means 5. Here is also 5. Now point. Here is also point. It means decimals. Now after the decimals is 0, 0, 1. Is 0, 0, 1. Then 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. So first of all we will check whole part are same or not. Whole part is same. Yes, same. Then we will check after the decimals. Here is 0 and 0. It means 10th digit also same. Then we will go to another. Means 100. Here is 0. Here is 1. Now stop here. Here is 0. Here is 1. It means 1 is greater than 0. So it means this side. It means 5.010 is greater. Okay, understood? Okay, so now come on the question number 2. Identify the greatest and the smallest decimal number in each of the following groups. These are the groups of points, groups of decimals: 5.37, 4.47, 5.73, 3.74, 5.7, 3.8. First of all, we will check whole part. We will check whole part. Here is 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3. It means if we need the smallest decimal number, it means we need the smallest decimal number. Means we need only where the smallest whole number is 3. 3, here is 3.8, 3.74. We write here 3.74, 3.8. Firstly we will check before the point. Okay, means 3, whole part is same. Then we will check after the point. Here is 7, here is 8. It means this is greater. Okay, and this is lesser. So it means smaller decimal number is 3.74. Okay, bache. So now greatest and yes, greatest decimal number. Greatest means 555. We will write down here 5.37, 5.73, 5.7. Firstly, we will check whole numbers are same, 5. Then after the point, here is 3, here is 7, here is 7. Here is also 7 same. Okay, we will cancel this. Then now we have only two number digits. Okay, 5.73, 5.7. So now after that 5.7 is same. Then we will check another number. Here is 3. Here is nothing. Nothing means 0. So which is greater? This is greater. 5.73 is greater. Okay, I hope you have understood all the questions and concepts. Thank you. Have a nice day.